Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make memes using Canva. Memes are a fun and engaging way to communicate on social media and bring humor to your messages. Canva, a user-friendly design tool, allows you to create memes quickly and easily. So, let's dive into this creative process. First, head over to Canva's website. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is easy and free. Once you're logged in, you'll find a convenient search bar at the top of the homepage. In the search bar, type the word meme and hit enter. This will bring up a variety of meme templates that are ready for you to customize. Canva is great because it offers templates for any theme or style you might imagine, from classic formats to the latest trending designs. As you browse through these templates, take your time to choose one that fits the tone and style of the message you want to convey. Once you find a template that appeals to you, click on it. You'll see an option to customize this template. This is where you can truly make the meme your own. Within the Canva editor, all elements are fully customizable. The template will already have some placeholder text, and this is where your creativity comes in. Click on the text to start editing it. You can change the words to suit your message, making it as funny, poignant, or relatable as you like. If you're crafting a meme for a specific audience or community, think about what resonates most with them. Don't be afraid to experiment with different phrases or punchlines until it feels just right. While editing, you can also explore various font styles, colors, and sizes to see what works best for the aesthetic you're aiming for. Remember, a successful meme often combines both visual appeal and a witty or clever caption. Once you're satisfied with your text and design, take a moment to review your work. A final glance can ensure there's nothing you've missed, like typos or misaligned elements. It's always a good idea to keep your meme concise and easy to read. When everything looks great, it's time to save your creation. Click on the download button in the top right corner of the Canva interface. You can choose the file format that suits your needs, such as PNG for crisp, high-quality images, or JPEG for optimized web uploads. And that's it. You've just created a meme in Canva. Now, you can share it across social media, send it to friends, or save it for a special occasion. With Canva, crafting memes is not only fun, but incredibly efficient.